Today we are going bird watching on snowshoes. It is mid-April and many of the migrating birds have come back and are just waiting for the snow to go away so they can start nesting. But here in Finnmark, Northern Norway, at 70 degrees north, there are still a lot of snow in mid-April, even if some areas are windblown and have no snow. The snow is too loose to walk on just on your feet, and using skis are not optimal either due to the windblown parts. Therefore, we are using snowshoes. The Stabbursnes Nature Reserve are located on both sides of the Stabburselva river delta and include some of the country's largest continuous shallow water areas and are therefore one of the most important wetlands for birds in Norway. There are among others recorded 23 species of ducks, including 6 goose species and 25 species of wading birds in the reserve. The nature reserve has special significance for the rare and red-listed Lesser White-fronted Goose, who rests in the reserve during spring and autumn. We are heading out on the Cape to a nature shelter, or a gapahuk. There we can enjoy watching birds in relative comfort. It is just a 1 kilometer walk, and after half a kilometer the path goes up a steep slope to the top edge of the cliffs. From the top we have a very good view of the river delta. Snowshoeing is an incredible way to explore snowy landscapes without sinking into deep snow. It allows you to reach remote areas and enjoy winter scenery and get a great workout at the same time. Unlike skiing, snowshoeing doesn't require much skill. You can pick it up quickly and it's accessible to all fitness levels. Plus, it's quiet and peaceful, making it perfect for appreciating nature. Nature shelters are as essential as architecture can be. It is often the minimum required construction needed for comfort and shelter from wind and weather, and are designed to be open and inviting spaces, allowing you to connect with nature in comfort. The river delta is also a feeding ground for the Sami's semi-domesticated reindeers. Birds are to many the very essence of living nature, flying creatures in all shapes, colors, sizes, and endlessly fascinating. Today's highlights are black-headed gulls, who are red listed as critical endangered, European herring gulls, who are red listed as vulnerable, and oyster catchers, who are red listed as near threatened. Other interesting birds we have observed were the great black-backed gull, who is the largest member of the gull family, and common gulls. We also observed common shelducks, mallards, and crows. I hope you have enjoyed this video and click the like button, and also subscribe if you want to see more of our adventures at 70 degrees north. Thank you for watching.